I think it's time. Yes, it's time to bring history back to life.
Cool, it's amazing.
Tarts of Wheels TV. Do you like classic vehicles? Then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the like button because it does something very special. It makes you younger.
Ooh, I feel better already. Hello, classic car connoisseurs. Welcome back to another mouth-watering mechanical masterpiece featuring the Porsche 911. So, without further ado, let's take a trip down memory lane. Here's the 911 Touring and the Targa, lovely turbo, and the 911 Carrera. Are you fortunate enough to own one of these classic cars? Have you recently restored one? Please feel free to comment or leave a video response of your restored Porsche 911 masterpiece. Thanks for watching.
Please feel free to pop by at my art prints and collectibles gallery at artofwheels.co.uk.
Oh no! I'm afraid we've run out of time. But just before you go, please leave thumbs up below. And if you'd like to see more amazing video clips like this,
Subscribe to the channel
by clicking on the icon up in the sky. Tarts of Wheels TV.